Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download your new defaults. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. When your apps are ready, go into Devices Settings right away. In Settings, scroll down to access Apps section. Click on Choose Default Apps at the top and tap on one of those sections, in my case, Browser app. Lastly, just click on your new downloaded one that you wish to apply and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!